My name's Dale. Last time you were here, I had framers, bricklayers, and here we are. Millstone 4 is now complete. So follow me and I'll show you around phase 5. Here we are, phase 5, on top of the underground parking. This is Jake McIntyre, he's in charge of the underground. This is George. Jake, can you tell us what's going on?
Certainly can. So currently you guys are standing on top of the underground structure for the parking garage. Behind me is a wall. This will be waterproof and the elevation will be brought up to the height of the curb here. From there our structure will begin. Once the waterproofing is brought up to the elevation it needs to be, this will all be backfilled with engineered soil. Then they can start the bricking of the structure behind us in block DD. Well, we're probably at 90% down here, Dale. All the structure's fully completed, the roof's fully completed. Upstairs, all the concrete is poured. It'll be 100% completed by September 2nd. So now that all the concrete structure is completed and the blocks above are ready for structure, I get to put my feet up on the desk and watch Dale work.
And next time I see you, I'll have block BB framed.